A long, long time ago, an emperor of the Qing dynasty once said, "With great satay comes great responsibility, and that responsibility? Making an equally great peanut sauce. Because satay and peanut sauce, that's not just a pairing, it's a marriage built on spiciness, sweetness, and trust. The kind of union that makes your taste buds say, I do." So in this video, I'm showing you not just one, but two versions of rich, flavor-packed peanut sauces. One classic and one with coconut milk. Let's get started. Start by cutting the shallots. All of these ingredients are going to be roasted and blended, so don't worry too much about precision. Next, cut the tomatoes. Then slice the chili into thirds and peel the garlic. Place the garlic, tomatoes, shallots, and chilies into a tray. Season with a little salt and pepper. And drizzle with oil. Roast in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. While that's roasting, we'll toast the nuts. Heat a dry pan on high. My peanuts are already roasted, so I'm toasting the candle nuts first. Once they're golden, add in the peanuts. Now we can set aside and let it cool down a bit. To prepare the lime leaf, twist it like this to bring out the fragrance. Now it's time to blend. Start with the roasted ingredients. Then add the nuts, a splash of water, and blend it until it looks like peanut sauce. In a pan on medium-high heat, add some oil and add the sauce. Stir in more water to loosen it up. Then add palm sugar and the twisted lime leaf. Reduce to medium-low heat and gently press the sugar until it melts. Make sure that the sauce doesn't stick and burn. Now add salt and bangao. Bangao is a popular Indonesian soy sauce. Sweet, dark, and full of umami. It's one of the secrets to this peanut sauce that makes it so good that your guests will be licking the plate clean by the end of the meal. Add more water to reach your desired consistency. Then squeeze in some fresh lime juice. Give it a taste. Mine needed just one more tablespoon of bangao and a little bit more salt. Adjust to your liking. Sweeter, saltier, tangier, whatever you like. And now, the part everybody's been waiting for, the creamy version. Just stir in the coconut milk until it reaches your preferred thickness. The coconut milk is naturally sweet, so that's really all you need. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.